Hello students. So in this video, you will have a brief idea on what is there in the chapter real numbers in class 10, the difference between rational and irrational numbers, and probably the first exercise, composite numbers, HCF and LCM. Let's see how much we can cover here. So I'm going to break down the video, the topics into smaller videos so that it is easy for you to understand. Okay, so first of all, in class 9th also you have the number system. So you have a fair idea of what the rational and irrational numbers are, but we will still recapitulate. So real numbers are divided into two number systems. One is rational numbers, which consist of all the number systems that you have done so far, be it whole numbers, be it natural numbers, be it integers. So we can say a number in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equals to 0. P and Q are integers. This, in class 10, we're going to add one more term to it, co-prime. We'll talk about it later. So the other number system which is there under real numbers is irrational numbers. What are irrational numbers? A number which cannot be written in the form of P by Q. Okay. A number whose decimal expansion is non-terminating and non-repeating. Decimal, for example, 0.212112111. So there is a fixed pattern to it. You can see the pattern and identify the coming terms, but there is nothing repeating. Or under root P, where P is a prime number. For example, root 2, root 3, root 4. These are irrational numbers. We learned this. After that, we will move on to what are prime numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers जिनके factor exactly 2 होते हैं. Exactly 2 factors, 1 and number itself. For example, 2. 2 को 1 divide करता है, 2 को 2 divide करता है. So 2 is prime. 5 is divided by 1 and 5 is divided by only 5. So again 5 is prime. Then we'll come to composite numbers. Numbers which are not prime or composite. We can say so, but there is an exclusion here. So rather we will say a number having more than 2 factors. Factors मतलब जिससे वो divide हो सके. For example, 4 divide किससे होता है? 4 is divisible by 1, 4 is divisible by 2, 4 is divisible by 4. So it has 3 factors here, more than 2. So 4 is composite. Fine. Now let's come to the fundamental theorem of arithmetic here. This is one important topic, the first topic of class 10th. So every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique. There's a term unique here, apart from the order in which prime factors occur. Let's understand this. What does it mean? What is it saying? So let's take a composite number. Let's take 12 as a composite number. And let's do its prime factorization. 2, 2, 4, 4 3s are 12. So now he's saying here that this factorization, 2 into 2 into 3, would always give you 12. For example, 2 into 5 will always give you 10. Be it what? 2 into 5 can never give us 12, and 2 into 2 into 3. These 3 factors together would always give you 12. They cannot give you 10. Hence, this is a unique, this group, 2, 2, 3, is unique for 12. It cannot give you any other number. But the order in which they occur, it can be different. It's like 2 into 3 into 2 will still give you 12, or 3 into 2 into 2 would also again give you 12. So these 2, 2, 3, whenever they're together, they would always give you 12, and irrespective of the order in which they occur. This is the meaning of the theorem. We'll stop it here and we will pick it again with some other topic.